would set them alight, I would melt them, I would paint them in order to get something a little bit different. I'm just one of these people. I can't do anything regarded as what you would call straight photography. I've always into trying to do something a little bit different. When we move on to the big world into digital, and what can I say about digital? I'll tell you what I said about digital. I said digital will never catch on. And how wrong was I? But what you also need is you need a brain, you need eyes, and in my case, perhaps maybe a touch of being a little bit weird. Other advice I always get people say, I can't do creative. I don't know where to start. I always say one thing to do, and it's a simple task, is think of doing the opposite of what you would normally do. So what you get is you get something big, you make it small, and you make something small and you make it big. And I think just by doing that and by trying to do that, you'll certainly find that you've already got something that is creative and is slightly different from normal. Everything to do with what I do, it's all about fun. And sometimes at the end of the day, I don't know why I've done it. I just do it, but I enjoy doing it. And all just been pieced together to create this fantasy world of another place that doesn't really exist. And of course, when do you see boat with filled with houses? But this is what you can do when you're, as I said, you're a little bit weird and you want to do something a little bit different. No, the cat and the dog, although they may not look cartoonish, they're actually real cats and dogs. It's what I've did to them that's altered the situation. I redrew the shapes of the cat and dog that I wanted in those positions. And the original cat and dog, I then decapitated them in bits and pieces, heads off, arms off, and rebuilt them into the shape of the drawing that I'd done. Or you go a little bit crazy. This is one where some people might think I might have been either on the drink or on the drugs. I love square format. It's my favorite. Yeah. It's my favorite format. I believe it's the strongest format. I don't use Photoshop the way the majority of the what I would call the gurus do. I just don't do that. So I use the tools the way I would use the tools if that was a canvas in front of me. But not only that, I find a lot of the salons, I'm finding a lot of the salons very samey. I'm almost at the point where I feel that I can pick the winners before it's actually been judged.
Right.
Because there is a trend of similarity of stuff going through.